Welcome to Rica Subtest 1 online test preparation course presented by ricatest.com. Thank you so much for joining us. In this lesson, you will learn everything you need to know about Competency 3, which covers phonological and phonemic awareness. If you're ready, let's begin. Phonological awareness is the knowledge that oral English is composed of smaller units. And it's accomplished when a child can identify the individual sounds in a word, such as fun has f and and n. Likewise, if the child can manipulate the individual sounds of a word, such as transforming the word fun into sun, this demonstrates that the student is phonologically aware. Phonemic awareness, on the other hand, is the ability to separate sounds called phonemes in a word. This is accomplished when the student can identify rhyming words, such as clock and sock, as well as showing the ability to identify the number of sounds in a word. For example, clock has 4 sounds, and sock has 3 sounds. Now, let's look at the relationship between phonological and phonemic awareness. As you can see, phonological awareness is viewed as the umbrella term. Phonological awareness is like the category name. Phonemic awareness is the subcategory term that sits within phonological awareness and alongside other key terms that we will cover in later lessons. Looking back to the definitions of these key terms, we notice that both definitions represent the sounds of a language. This means that phonological awareness and phonemic awareness can both be done in the dark, meaning if you worked in a dark room, you closed your eyes, you could only listen, you can still complete phonological and phonemic awareness tasks because these terms are all about the sounds of a language. Test tip. Phonemic awareness is often taught with a puppet. So if you see a puppet in your question on the Rica test, think phonemic awareness. A phoneme is a speech sound in a language. Here we see the word phone in the word phoneme. So we think sound. Each sound in a word represents a different meaning. And this is important because if you use the word phone, for example, and for no reason we just change the initial sound from f to b, well, we change the meaning of the word altogether. A grapheme is an English letter that represents a phoneme. Using the same 2 examples from above, we can see their graphemes are phone and bone. This also shows us that some graphemes represent one letter, such as in b, as in bone, whereas other graphemes represent more than one letter, such as the ph in phone. Feeling nervous about taking your Rica test? Click the link in the description below, get full access to this Rica test prep course, and start feeling prepared for test day.